It should start recording now. Hey everybody, it's me Luigi and me Mario. And we are in the rainforest. We are going to have an adventure. This rainforest is the mushroom forest. Yes. The most popular forest from the Mushroom Kingdom. Let's get over here. Wait, don't forget about me. Ugh. Hey, Pete Piranha. Oh. I don't feel so good. Peter Piranha, what are you doing here? This is my natural habitat. This is where I was born. Oh, it sure looks weird. Hey, don't make fun of my natural habitat. I was born here. And there's this house, which I made by myself. How would you get the resources? I mine. Where did you mine? Over here, look. Down there. There. Okay. I'm gonna go to my house. Catch you guys later. Okay. Woohoo! 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 What is that? It's a pigman, Mario. These animals are from another planet, so obviously this one came from Olimar, or probably the Mushroom Natural Museum. Oh yeah, true. Our kids! Our kids! Why are you here? It's because this is my natural habitat. It's where I was born. That's what they all say. I'm going to take this to the Mushroom Natural Museum. Oh, my camera's getting wet. Let me put in this. There you go. Just get this guy out of here. He's not. Put him in Pete's house. Okay, let's go. Just bring the pigment so I can. Oh, there's just. Okay, Mario. So, we're here in the forest. Yeah. Hey, I think I see a Yoshi over there. It's one of the ancient Yoshi tribes. Yoshi! Oh, hey, Yoshi. Oh, hey. Oh, Yoshi. One of the Yoshi tribes. Yoshi! Oh. So where did all that wood come from, Yoshi? Yoshi! You built it? No! Yoshi, make it! That's the same thing. Oh, okay. Yoshi, go back to building house. Okay, Yoshi. Okay. So where should I go next? Over there. I heard there are Koopas over there roaming. So let's go. Woohoo! Ba-doop. Loop. Wait up. Hey, psh. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, I'm one of the. Well, I'm hunting so I can eat. But weren't you going to your house? I am at my house, right there. Okay. Yes. Okay. I guess.